On this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make $3,000 to $5,000 without building a business, without starting a business, without a personal brand, without showing your face. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a minimum of $3,000 to $5,000 a month without starting a business. And this isn't going to be one of those bullshit videos that people make and they haven't actually done it themselves. Here's a screenshot, $23,430 for a month, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did it. This is a screenshot of when I was doing it, and this is $23,000, okay? You don't need a business, you don't need a degree, and you don't need years of experience. Now, before I get into this video, I am going to be showing you some fucking authority, because there is too many gurus on here that are going to promise you and show you the world, but in reality, they haven't done shit. They aren't shit. Most of the time, they're promising shit that they haven't even done. So I'm going to show you some authority that I've been in this space for a while. So if we look up TrueCoin online, this is one of my courses that I have. I've built businesses before. I currently own a few of them. I did over $1.5 million in profit last year, and I worked with over 2,000 people last year. I build businesses because that's what I enjoy, but it wasn't always like that. You know, there was a point in my time where I didn't want to show my face. I didn't want a brand. I didn't want anything. And I just wanted to make, $3 to $5 to $10,000 a month. But a few years have gone over and now I kind of teach people the ropes. But this is one of my courses that I made, and it is one of the biggest affiliate marketing courses in its niche. I'm not going to be teaching you affiliate marketing, but this is just authority to show you that I've been in this space for a long time, and hopefully you can trust me because I've been here. I've got a podcast here, TikTok's there, Pinterest. We've got reviews on TikTok. Okay, yeah, it's me. Okay, you got nothing to worry about. You can even go here, TrueCoin. I don't know what this is, but I guess more. Yeah, see more um, photos and videos and just a few more of me. Okay, even if you look up, affiliate marketing TrueCoin, more comes of me. Okay, and I'm showing you this to again show some authority. Now, hopefully you trust me a little bit more. If you don't, I've got a few rewards here, but you probably don't know what these are, so it probably won't mean anything to you. But you get these for making a fuck ton of money. You see this cup right here? It's got hot chocolate in it, but you see this cup? You get that with making money, okay? That is an award that you get from Kajabi. Now, you don't know what that is. That probably means nothing to you, but to people that do know what it is, it means something, okay? It's called remote appointment setting. Remote meaning you can do it anywhere, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Now, you might have heard of appointment setting or closing before, but you hear it from nobodies. So what I mean is when I say nobodies is I'm not being a dickhead. I'm meaning like they've got no real experience as appointment setters, because a lot of them kind of teach appointment setting but they haven't done it, or as a coach or someone like that. I've done both. Okay, I started off as an appointment setter. I did $23,000 in 1 month. And then as I got better and as the years went on, I became a coach. And in my coaching years, I hired appointment setters. So this is what I mean where I've got direct experience, because for one of my businesses, I literally have an appointment setter. This is an appointment setter that I pay money every time they make a sale. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. So this is how it works. There are coaches, agencies, businesses, and consulting. These are all business owners, okay? A coach might be a fitness coach or a dating coach. An agency could be a lead generation. A business could be, some random IT business or something. And consulting is the same as coaching. And all these things, these four things here, they only focus on two things: enrolling people into their program and getting clients results. That's what they focus on. Again, I am a coach. I know what they focus on. Okay, I've got buddies in both of these spaces. Well, this one, I guess all of them. I've got buddies in all these spaces that are making multi-millions of dollars, like making more money than me. I've got a network of people in these niches, and they all hire appointment setters. And I'm going to tell you what an appointment setter is more in detail right now. So a coach, agency owner, business or consulting person on, let's say, Instagram, only focus on two things: getting leads, so getting sales, and getting client results. Now, so what these people do is build a brand on social media, and most of the time they run ads to that brand. Okay, then this is where you come in. These business owners hate being in their own DMs. It is literally a bottleneck. Okay, coming from an experience as a coach, has been a coach and enrolled over 2,000 people and has been able to coach a lot of big people in that space, I hate being in my DMs. It's tedious. I hate it. I don't want, my time is worth more being in another place, making content or getting client results or things like that. Okay, the coach, consultant, agency owner, or the business owner, they only want to focus on growing their business, and they cannot grow their business if they are in their own DMs, their own messages. They cannot be messaging, making content, running ads, making videos for this, getting client results, doing this, doing that, all at the same time. So what they do is they delegate tasks. And this is where you come in. They have more important things to do. Again, getting their clients results. So they will then hire an appointment setter, a commission-based appointment setter, to actually go on their social media and into their messages and talk to the people that come from their ads or their organic content. Okay, and the appointment setter's job is to talk to the leads that the business owner is getting and get them on the phone. That is all you do. That is your literally the only job. That's it. I'm not even joking. It's not good. It's not too good to be true, because that's really all it is. Seriously. But again, remember, these business owners, okay, their time is more valued in other places rather than being in the messages. What happens is a lot of these people scale to $10 to $20 to $30,000 a month, okay? And it gets to the point where they're in their own DMs, but they can't grow anymore. So then they hire a commission-based appointment setter, which is you, to be in the messages. That way they can remove themselves and work on other things, okay? They will pay you around 5 to 10% of whatever they charge if they make a sale. And because their offer is normally high ticket, you have the potential to earn 500 to 1,000 each time you just get someone on the phone and they close it. So, and that's normally about 500 or 1,000 euros or USD. Most coaches and consulting and agencies don't really charge AUD if you are Australian. They normally charge USD or Euro, because a lot of them are European or from the US or Canada, or they charge Canadian, but you know, not everyone does. Which means that Australians earn more money, okay? So if you make $500 Australian, then you're probably making around $800. I mean, I'm $500 USD, then you're making about $800 Australian, okay? So this is what it looks like. The business, okay? I'm going to use this as an example. This is the business. This is a coach, and they are a dating coach, okay? They run ads to their offer, which means they have an Instagram page, and on their Instagram page, they're posting content, making videos, building an audience, and running ads. Okay, and they run ads to get leads. What is a lead? A lead is someone that might buy their offer. So they run ads to get leads to their social media profile. And then that lead will then follow this business profile and interact with their page. So that lead might message the business owner, like a photo, like a video, like a story. Then you, the appointment setter, will message these people, okay, the lead. Okay, so as soon as someone interacts with the business owner's page, you message them saying, hey, thanks for the like, thanks for the follow. And then you have a small conversation with them to kind of talk to them, ask them questions and things like that. And your only objective is to get them on the phone. All right, so you will then pitch a call. So you will say, hey, I would love to talk more about this on a phone call. You're not getting on the phone call. They are, the business owner, Okay, the business owner will normally close the deals themselves or they will hire a closer. You don't have to worry about that either way. So as the appointment setter, you message people in the DMs. You don't have to show your face because you are the brand. So you will get in this business's or this coach's Instagram, for example, and you will be this person. And you will message everyone as the coach. They don't know that you are they do not know that you are an appointment setter, but you are. You'll message the people on this Instagram account and then you'll pitch them a call. Okay? And then on that call, the closer or the coach or consultant or agency owner will pitch their services. Okay? They do the selling. And if that lead buys that business's program, that's $5,000 to $10,000 to even $50,000, you will then get a commission of that sale. That's it. That is seriously it. That is all an appointment setter does. I wish I was joking. Like it probably seem, if you've never heard about this, it might seem too good to be true. But if you go onto Instagram right now, okay, and you message a coach that's got 10 to 20 to 50,000 followers, I promise you, you think that you're messaging the coach, but you're not. You're messaging an appointment setter. So if you've ever talked to some famous person or some entrepreneur or someone on Instagram or social media in the DMs, I can 99% guarantee you that you are not messaging the business owner. You're messaging an appointment setter. So go try it if you want. Go message Charlie Morgan or go message Hamza or just someone in the entrepreneurship space and message them saying, hey, how much is your program? For example, you're not going to buy the program, but message them saying, how much is your program? How much does it cost to join you? I guarantee you an appointment setter will message you. You won't know it because again, the appointment setter is the business, like the business guy, but you will be messaging someone that is not the owner. Why? Because the owner has better things to do. This is why this is so lucrative, because you can be from anywhere around the world and be messaging people because all you need is a phone. Seriously, all you need is a phone. Just a simple phone. This is my second phone. I got the main phone up here. But yeah, you only need a phone. And normally these guys are on Instagram. And literally all you're doing is waking up, messaging people as a normal conversation. So instead of, you making no money and messaging people like your friends or whoever that aren't benefiting you, that really aren't benefiting you, you're messaging people to get them on the phone so then the closer or the business owner can sell them, and then when they're in their program, you will get a commission. It is honestly that simple. Again, if you do not believe me, my Instagram is in the description of this video. Nathaniel Greengrass. You can look it up on Google. My name is public, Nathaniel Greengrass. I've got business after business. I've got hundreds of client results. I've literally been working with people for like 2-3 years now. I've worked with thousands of people. If you go onto my Instagram, go onto the people that follow me or check out the people that comment on my videos or like my videos, you will notice that they are all coaches. Because again, I have buddies that are coaches and that are making millions of dollars, and guess what? They are not in their DMs, they hire an appointment setter. But if you found this information valuable and you want to learn more about this and you want to actually listen to someone that's actually done the reps, give me a follow over here on fucking YouTube, subscribe, and then keep updated with the content. I'm going to be literally helping you get these roles. Okay, and if you want to keep updated with everything that I'm doing, my Instagram's in the description. This YouTube at this time of filming has no subscribers. Why? Because it's a brand new YouTube channel, because it's a brand new topic. Okay, but I was just getting so sick of these people talking out of their ass when they have no clue what they're talking about. So give me a follow over here. Check out my content, leave a comment or whatever, you do you. But I hope this gave you some information and kind of showed you that there is more. And I hope this unraveled the packet, so you can look behind the pillow and see like, oh shit, this is how business is. A lot of people will charge $5,000 just for this basic information. I'm giving it to you for free. Okay, so I'll catch these guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you then.